In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for software development. We'll walk through setting up a ready-made structure so your team can move from idea to release with a clear, repeatable workflow. By the end, you'll have a complete software development setup in your workspace, tailored to your timeline. Start in your workspace overview. This is your home base in ClickUp, where you can see everything at a glance. From here, locate the space where you want your development process to live. A space is the best level to organize an entire team or function, like engineering. Click into that space, then open the three-dot menu. This menu is where ClickUp keeps advanced actions for the space, including the option we need next. Choose templates from the menu. Templates save tons of time because they come with lists, statuses, fields, and views already configured. In the Templates window, select Browse Templates. This opens the full gallery of proven setups you can drop into your space in a few clicks. Use the search bar to look for software development. You'll see templates designed for engineering workflows, often including backlog, sprint planning, active work, QA, and release tracking, plus views like board, list, and Gantt. Pick the one that best matches your process or start with a comprehensive option you can pare down later. Next, click Customize Import Items. This step lets you control exactly what comes in. You can include things like custom fields, statuses, list structure, views, and any sample tasks provided. If you already have a naming convention or certain fields you don't use, feel free to exclude them here so your setup stays clean and relevant. Before importing, click Remap Dates. This is crucial for keeping timelines realistic. Remapping shifts due dates and start dates to align with the current week or a specific start date, so tasks don't land in the past and your schedule makes sense from day one. It's especially useful if the template includes sample tasks with relative timelines. When you're ready, click Use Template. ClickUp will build out the structure in your space using the options you selected. Give it a moment, and then you'll see your development framework appear with lists, statuses, views, and fields already in place. From here, you can review the imported setup with your team and align on conventions like estimation, priorities, and definitions of done. If you don't see templates in your menu, you may need space admin permissions. And remember, starting with a template is about acceleration. Feel free to refine it over time as your process evolves. That's it. Your ClickUp space is now prepared for software development and ready to support your next sprint.